For number 20, the problem says to find 4 consecutive integers. This would be 4 numbers that are next to each other, something like 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on. So we want to find 4 consecutive integers that add up to or have a sum of negative 66. So what we're going to do to solve this is we're going to call the first integer x. So if I have x plus, then my next integer is going to be 1 more than x, or x plus 1. Then I'm going to add that to my next integer. Well, the next integer is really going to be 2 more than the first term, x. And then I'm going to add that to my fourth term, which is really going to be x plus 3. So if you kind of want to think about this, if I say that my first term is 5, then my next term is going to be 5 plus 1, which is 6. My next term is going to be 5 plus 2, which is 7. And my fourth term will be 5 plus 3, which would be 8. So this is how I got the x, x plus 1, x plus 2, and x plus 3. So then what we're going to do is we're going to set this equal to that negative 66. So because I can't simplify anything inside of the parentheses here, I can't follow that order of operation because everything's simplified. Then I'm adding each and every one of these terms. So because of this, what I can do is I can go ahead and remove my parentheses, and this becomes x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 equals a negative 66. And then I'm going to collect all my like terms. So my like terms are all these x's. So I have 1, 2, 3, I have 4 x's, plus, then I'm going to collect my constants. So I have 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus another 3, which is 6, and then this is going to equal negative 66. Now I have an algebraic equation, and I can go ahead and solve for x. So I'll subtract 6 from both sides, and I see that I have 4x equals negative 66 plus a negative 6 will give me a negative 72. And then if I go and I divide both sides by 4, I end up with x equals a negative 18. So that tells me what x is. Now what I have to do is I have to plug that in to this initial one term, the next term, and so on. So really, I have negative 18. Negative 18 plus 1 is a negative 17. Negative 18 plus 2 is going to be a negative 16. And negative 18 plus 3 is a negative 15. So these are my 4 consecutive terms that if you add them all together will give you a sum of a negative 66. Please let me know if you still have any questions. Thanks and have a good day.